How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to properly unhide OnlyFans messages. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So let's say that you guys are a content creator on OnlyFans, and you've been pushing out content, you've been getting quite a few subscribers and whatnot, and some of these subscribers or followers have become unruly, as you do with this platform, OnlyFans. So let's say that someone's been bothering you a lot, messaging you on your profile nonstop, basically simps, and you decided to block them or hide their messages. So normally, the chat window for the messages would appear here, much like it does with Facebook or Messenger or pretty much any other social media platform. So once you see the messages that they've been sending you, they've been bothering you a lot, you should have the option there to actually hide their messages or ignore it. So by default, this gets sent directly to your messages tab or your inbox, I should say. So to unhide it, you simply want to navigate to the homepage like so, click on messages, and normally they would appear here. Now, when you click on their message that's been ignored, there should be an option to unmute or unhide the message. And yeah, that's it. That's how you guys do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.